Hello everybody. It is time for night-night. Sammy's all tucked in. Cleo's here. Django's right here. Anyway, it's been a crazy weekend. I was working so hard to rearrange the bird room and give them all new houses so they all have huge homes now. Oh my god, it feels so good. I'm so happy. I want my Fids to have the best life possible here at the SHARYN Zoo, and now it's just amazing. I'm so excited. Anyway guys, tomorrow's Monday. You know how much we absolutely love Mondays, especially Sam. But we want to say sweet dreams and sleep with those beautiful angels. We love you. Night night. Say night night. Say night night. Alright, I am done. Got Venus. We got the leopards in here. These guys. Mary. I got my couch! I got my couch! And I'm just going to use this table to do everything I need to do for them. And there's their food. And that's it. Oh my god. Blood, sweat, and tears, man. Blood, sweat, and tears. But it is finally done. It feels so good to be done.